Want to see the most epic resort pool that I have ever seen? Well then, watch till the very end of this video, and then along the way I'll show you everything you need to know about this epic resort called Padma Ubud in the event you find yourself near Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. So I do love my budget lodging experiences with the 3x2 rooms, a cot to sleep in, all curled up like a newborn, while being serenaded by an echo of snores. I also do enjoy the occasional rendezvous with the creme de la creme of hotels, like this one that I'm about to show you, rated amongst top resorts not just in Asia but also around the world. We are at Padma Ubud, in the Balinese village of Puhu in Bali, Indonesia. Now let's see why it's ranked so high up there globally, with a hotel tour, some nearby attractions that we visited that I'm going to show you, and then we'll come back to the hotel and end with their centerpiece, their legendary 89-meter heated infinity swimming pool, one of the best pools I've ever laid eyes on. According to our driver, Padma Ubud is one of the few resorts currently in the area that's untouched by tourism. We drove here at night from Ubud Central, about 40 minutes away, and could easily tell, even in the dark, that we're nearing a slice of paradise deep inside the forest. And by the way, the hotel does provide shuttle service. I can't really exactly recall if it's free or not, but it does provide shuttle service to Ubud and back. Upon entering the resort, we were warmly welcomed by friendly staff, elegant corridors, soothing water features with huge koi fish, and temple-like structures. The initial impact was so profound that it lingered, even as my pressing need to use the restroom begged immediate attention after the 40-minute drive. But I stick to the facts. The spacious bedroom boasted a beautiful blend of contemporary design and authentic Balinese details, with custom light fittings and hand-carved wooden mirrors. The dark wood and natural color scheme harmonized perfectly with the resort's surroundings. In-room entertainment was ensured with a 48-inch TV, and I think there was a DVD player, while Balinese-style robes added to the relaxation. The modern bathroom, accessed via a sliding door, featured a freestanding bathtub, walk-in rain shower, double marble sinks, and ample wardrobe space. A private balcony was also offered with a serene view of the bamboo forest, complete with comfortable furniture for enjoying the Balinese climate and the stunning view.
Papa's a dinosaur.
Now for the dining options. Well, the resort boasts of two exceptional restaurants. The Puhu restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and a 180-degree view of the resort and the tropical valley. You could indulge in the never-ending buffet selection, or just go a la carte. We were shocked by the choices of cuisine given to us at the buffet, by the way. We had everything from Indian to Chinese to Indonesian to even hamburgers, and I think even some hot dogs. You can do what we did and just have a little bit of everything. There was also a club lounge next to the Puhu restaurant that I think was members only, but I mistakenly walked in and ordered myself a drink. It was really nice, by the way. The other food option is the pool cafe and bar, and it's located right next to the pool. But anyway, the cafe and bar is the resort's daytime social hub where you can kind of just soak in the sun or rain and enjoy the views. They have snacks and food throughout the day, and then towards the evening they do themed buffet dinners. You could take a seat on the terrace or one of the 16 submerged bar stools inside the pool and enjoy an ice cold beer, a signature cocktail, or their healthy mocktails, as they say. Another option is the open-air cafe/bar called the Payangan Lounge that seamlessly harmonizes with the lobby's ambiance, serving up coffee, tea, artisanal cakes, delectable cocktails, mocktails. This one caught me by surprise, but shisha, and to some of you, hookah, which is why it's open air, and then just light bites throughout the day and into the evening. This was probably one of my favorite places to go lounge and hang out.
It's
Aperol.
it's like a East Indies, yes.
Nice, thank you.
Okay, amenities time. So, you could indulge in the resort spa, partake in yoga classes, you can join daily hotel activities, hit the gym, or embark on a day tour to Ubud Central via the shuttle that the hotel provides. Some of the in-house activities include, check this, animal feedings of otters, ducks, deer, and more, archery, koi fish feeding, fishing, not the koi fish that you just fed, archery, no, I said archery twice, so golf, and then much more. Other hotel excursions outside of the hotel that is arranged by Padma include visiting waterfalls, hiking, trekking, arranged picnics, and there's much more that they offer. This one was a hit amongst parents, the Kids Club, which has a weekly activity schedule including plenty of fun activities running from 9 a.m. to about 8:30 p.m. These include cupcake decorating, Balinese dancing, arts and crafts, bracelet making, card games, pool games, and then there is a movie every evening from 7 p.m. and on. A kids menu is also available for them to enjoy lunch and dinner in the Kids Club. They've really thought of everything, haven't they? Okay, now, ever heard of FOMO? Let me introduce you to its sneaky cousin called ROMO, which stands for the regret of missing out. Little did I know during my stay that the resort also has a jogging trail winding through the bamboo forest along a river with a wooden bridge leading to a secluded temple. Romo, my friends. Okay, what to do nearby? And by nearby, I mean, Ubud Central, which is about 30 to 40 minutes away. We had rented a car for our time in Bali and did not use the hotel's shuttle transportation. The pool was so amazing at the resort, we couldn't stay away for too long, so we literally just picked a few spots in Ubud Central to go see. First one, Harum rice fields. These rice fields are a renowned tourist destination known for their beautiful terraced landscapes. These fields exemplify the traditional Balinese subak irrigation system, showcasing the island's agricultural heritage. Visitors can explore the lush green paddies through the walking trails, participate in traditional farming activities, and enjoy attractions like swings and zip lines for panoramic views and super cool statues that they can witness. A good highlight of the visit at Harum were the gorgeous rice fields. It was stunning, I tell you. Another highlight, which I have mixed feelings about, was the opportunity to try the Kopi Luwak coffee, one of the world's most unique and expensive coffees. This coffee is made using beans that have been eaten and excreted by civet cats, which are housed on site at Harum. The process is set to enhance the flavor of the coffee, and as an avid coffee drinker and a coffee snob, I can say the coffee was great, but not mesmerizing.
That's very coffee. Okay. And then? Nice. Okay. Yummy.
Yeah, and then the rest, this one we put back here and then we grind it again.
I grind it again.
Maybe because I didn't quite enjoy seeing the civet cats and they just looked miserable. So maybe that ruined my taste a little bit. The coffee may be something I may not do again. But the rice fields did provide a serene and picturesque experience, and the heavy rains had the rice fields come alive like a live orchestra, with a medley of fragrances brought forth by the rain that totally left us spellbound. We also hung back in Ubud Central for a little while. The town's allure is unmatched. The echoes of Balinese music along with colossal raindrops clobbering on my umbrella was fun and memorable, and then the aroma of incense floating in the air made this moment quite cinematic. It was like midnight in Paris, but the stage was uniquely Ubud, Bali. There also happened to be a night market, which was fun to check out, but the heavy rain and slippery floors and roads had us make an early exit, especially when we're hanging out with the 3-year-old.
Oh, nice. I don't know if I can do it.
We then had dinner at the most authentic place we could find until the serenity of our hotel started calling our names, and we headed back to Padma Ubud. There is so much to see in Ubud Central. If you have time, just Google top things to do in Ubud and take it from there. I wish we had more time in Ubud, I swear. It was magical. Okay, so how much did it cost and what was the service like? Staying at Padma Ubud was quite an experience. And at $280 a night, it was quite the steal for us Americans. If you planned it better than we did, it would be a whole lot cheaper. The service was truly memorable. Every staff member was super attentive, always going the extra mile to ensure our stay was perfect, and my questions were answered. From the moment we arrived, we were serenaded by smiles at every turn, embodying the unparalleled South Asian hospitality. Balinese hospitality, in particular, is renowned for its warmth and genuine care, making us feel like treasured guests throughout the stay. Now for the grand finale, the pool. It was more than just a refreshing dip. It's an immersive experience where emerald waters meet the symphony of nature. Surrounded by tropical foliage, the infinity pool becomes a sanctuary, winding along the bamboo forest, boasting an impressive 89-meter length, proudly claiming the title of the largest hotel pool in Ubud. Oh, may I also mention that there is also a swim park and a hidden hot tub. At Padma, the pool is not merely a feature, it's a destination within a destination. To conclude, all I can say is that there are hotels that we stay at, and then there are hotels that stay with us. Padma Ubud epitomizes the latter. It's a haven that remains with you well beyond your departure from Bali. Well, thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.